Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. It's Free for All Friday. Today is Free for All Friday. You see my package? Guys, don't forget to tap and tap again the like, share, and subscribe button. Guys, I got hot sauce, ketchup, Big Bertha. I'm in that kind of a mood today, guys. You know, every day cannot be a stressful day. But I'm in a good mood because I took my dog out this morning and he pooped and there was no blood at all. So the doctor was right. You know, let him stay without eating for a day or two and just let him drink water. And that worked. So he's sitting right here with me. See? Hi, Mama, Mama, no. But listen, guys, I got a treat. Oh, my God. I've been talking about hamburgers for like 4 days straight. But I've been talking about barbecue, you know, on the grill. Hamburgers on the grill. I didn't get that because, they're not doing that and I'm not doing a barbecue. But I went to this restaurant today. I just walked around the neighborhood because honestly, I had no idea what I wanted today. I didn't want sushi. I didn't want Indian food. I didn't want Jamaican food. I didn't want chicken. And I said, man, I keep talking about, hamburgers. So I said, let me go around the neighborhood, right? And let me look at the restaurants and see what, pops into my head. In terms of, my mouth gets watery. So I remember this restaurant because my mother's been in this neighborhood for like 30 years. I'm not lying. More than that. And we used to eat breakfast in this restaurant. And I called my brother while I'm outside. And I'm like, Steven, I'm walking around. I don't know what to do. And he's like, look, go to such and such, turn the corner. And there's a restaurant there that we go to. So when I approached it, I said, yeah, we used to go here all the time and have breakfast only. Just breakfast. I never had anything else. He said, no, they're good. So I went inside and I asked, I said, you guys have any, you guys don't make grill? And he says, no, but we make it right here, right in front of you, the hamburger and stuff. And I said, okay, good. Because I'm real funny with hamburgers and, food outside unless I see, so I sat right there. It's not a deli. It's like oh my God, what kind of restaurant can I compare this to? Because it's not your normal restaurant. You sit, there's a booth and they're cooking right there. But anyway, this is where I went to, M&G restaurant. They got 2 locations. Look at that. They got M&G and then they have M&G 2. Oh, anyway, so guess what? I got hamburgers. I got a hamburger deluxe with cheese and bacon. I had bacon yesterday. It didn't really affect me the way I thought it would, was. So, it was too late. When the guy was making it, I said cheeseburger deluxe. The cheeseburger deluxe comes like that. So I didn't really, say anything to him about the bacon. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. They gave me ketchup, salt. You know what they give you. Let me move this over. Let's open this up. Because I got a treat right here. You guys can't see it. It's not in the camera. It's not in the camera view. But it's here. And I'm going to open it because I haven't eaten from this place. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Since 2015. Why I know exactly? Because that was the last time I was around this neighborhood. And I used to do pantry. I used to go to pantry and get stuff. And the owner of this place, if you go there at 6 o'clock in the morning, they hand out free pastries. And on my way back from buying my hamburger and stuff, it's right there too. So I said, oh my God, I'm going to try this. But anyway, let's season our stuff. I'm going to show you. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to do my thumbnail. It's Free for All Friday, guys. What are you planning today? You planning to go out, go dancing, drinking, bar hopping? If you are, remember about tomorrow. I always say this every Friday. Remember, tomorrow's another day. And hangovers are real. Okay? Hangovers are real. Okay? I know. We always say that. Oh my God, I'm never going to drink again. I got hot sauce, guys. You know I can't. And I got the ketchup bottle right here too. I don't even need to open that. I could just pour it. Some people like to pour, you know, their ketchup in a corner. I have no preference. Let me show you this. Hold on. I got to open this because I got to show you how good. And he made the hamburger well done. Because I told him I like it well done. You see that? You see the cheese? You see the bacon? I'm getting down today. But I got to put some hot sauce in on my hamburger and my French fries because I don't normally do this. Oh my God, let me see. Oh my God, it's so fresh. It's very fresh. I'm going all out. I might not eat all this because the treats that I have in this box. Oh my God. Ooh, the name of the place is Artuso's. You know what I forgot? I forgot to put the... Oh Lord, slow down, D. Slow down. I forgot to put the tomato in there. And I forgot to put the lettuce. I put everything in there because, you know, I don't do this every day. I haven't done this since probably last summer. So, my dog is so cute. I'm looking at him from the side of my eye. He's sitting right there. Kobe, leave me alone. You can't have none of this. Let me put this down. Hold on. Big Bertha, let's have some fun. Yes, today's Friday, guys. It's one of those days, you know. Okay, let's get all this stuff from on top of here because I don't want nothing falling. Okay. Now, thumbnail. I have to do this. This is so good. Okay. I did my thumbnail 8 minutes in. Hey. Whatever. Oh my God. The French fries are fresh. Now, let's do this hamburger justice. Let's take this first bite. Oh my God, it's well done. Oh, come on, lettuce. Stay right there. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so delicious. Maybe, I don't know if it's because I haven't eaten a hamburger in so long. Or maybe it's because it is delicious. But whatever it is, it's delicious right now. I ain't got napkin. Oh my God. I don't have the grill taste to it, you know, but oh my God, it tastes really fresh, and I'm happy that I went there, because when I left this house, I had no idea what I was doing. No idea. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, yes. Mmm. Oh. Oh, my God. Thank you, God. Mmm. Mmm. Actually, what I'm craving is my fiance's hamburger. He likes to grill. He loves to grill, and I miss it. I miss the grilled chicken he used to make for me. I miss the hamburgers, grilled hamburgers. I miss it. I miss it. It tastes so good. Mmm. 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 Oh my God. I think I'm gonna eat all of it. I'm not gonna eat all the French fries, but I will eat this hamburger. It's too good. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Insane. It's so fresh. Mmm. Take a bite, guys. Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. Oh my God. Stop it. I hope I have room for my dessert, because I spent more on the dessert than the actual order. The order was $7.75. $7.75. The French fry, the hamburger deluxe. The goodies that I bought, look, from my Tusos came out to $10. We sure did. Mmm. Oh. Oh my God. Mmm. Oh my God. You know how I feel about good food? Oh my God. Mmm. I don't even want to drink anything right now. I swear. Mmm. Mmm. When the food is good to me, I like to dance. Mmm. Oh my God. Oh. Mmm. The French fries are so fresh too. Mmm. Mmm. They're not burnt. They're not too crispy. They're just right. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so crazy. Mmm. Home run. Huh? Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. Mmm. The bacon in it is crispy. Yes, it is. Mmm. Oh Lord. Wow. Guys, one last bite, because I'm gonna put all this in my mouth. Mmm. 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 Oh Lord, that was crazy. Oh my God, that was crazy. All right now. All right now. I'm excited because I know what I got here. And Artuso is the best bakery for me. I don't want to say the whole world, but in this neighborhood. Okay, Big Bertha, come on, help me out. I need to clean my palate because this here. Hurry up, D. Oh, I needed it. I got the bread in between my teeth. Guys, let me tell you about this. Enough. I need the knife. I need to do this right now because, you know, this is my what you call it, this is gonna be the death of me. This is gonna be the death of me. Sweet stuff. Oh my goodness. This doesn't work. Oh Lord, what did they do? I can't get up right now to oh Lord. I'll figure it out. Figure it out. Get to the treasure. I'm willing to lose my teeth behind it. I'm willing to lose my teeth behind this stuff in here. Oh my God, look, this is from Artuso's. The famous Artuso. Oh my God. Come on now, come on now. Kobe, you already. Oh my God. All right, so I have to lick the, I'm sorry, but I'm grimy. When it comes to sweet stuff, yes. Oh, God, help me. Oh, my God. Excuse me, guys. You see it in the camera, what I got here? I got carrot cake. I got strawberry cheesecake. And I got chocolate with chocolate chips and vanilla filling cannoli. Woo! What do I eat first? I wish I could interact and you guys can tell me which one I should eat first. But my favorite from all three is carrot cake. Carrot cake. So that's where I'm gonna start at. Let's do. Oh my God, help me, Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my. I have to save some for my mother, cause she likes carrot cake too. She won't do the cheesecake. Maybe she'll do the cannoli, but carrot cake. Oh my God. Oh my God. Help me. Oh my God, help me. Oh don't know what to do. Cheesecake. I love cheesecake too, guys. Oh my God, look at this. Easy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo-wee. This is from another world. It has to be. Oh my God, guys. People. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Help me, God. Oh Lord. All right, chocolate cannoli with chocolate chips. Oh my God. You guys have to see how pretty. Oh my, look at the bottom. Let me show you the bottom. Look at the chocolate. It's nice and cold too. Oh Lord, help me with this. Oh my God. You guys want some? Take a bite. Take a bite. Guys, I don't know. I don't want you to think I'm over exaggerating. But this is my downfall. Cake and sweet stuff. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. I have to have self-control, guys, because in reality, guys, I can eat this and more. When it comes to sweet stuff, I have like no bottom. I have no stomach. I could eat it. And I won't feel full. I'm full of the food I ate, but I know my mind. So I'm just going to have a little bit of self-control. I'm going to close it, right? And I'm going to walk away from it. Because I will eat all of it. My mother will not have a taste of the carrot cake. Oh my God. They've been around since 1946, guys. 1946 are Tusos. Oh my God. And they got the regular retail store, and they have a wholesale store as well. Oh my God, I have to stop. I have to stop. Because I'm telling you guys. Big Bertha, help me. Help me, help me, help me. Please help me. Please. Oh God. No more, no more. Ooh. Cold. Ooh. my God, guys. Happy Friday. Be safe. Think about tomorrow. Don't drink and drive. Okay? I love you very much from the bottom of my heart, guys. I've been here for 25 minutes already. I want to thank you for watching me. And if you watched me for 25 minutes, kudos to you and kudos to me. Okay? Guys, listen. Positive. Keep your mind positive. Continue to work on your goals. Don't forget to tap, 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 and tap again. That like, share, and subscribe button. And that notification bell, guys. Please, thank you for your comments. I love them. Love them all. And I'll see you for Seafood Sunday. Happy weekend.